those who've spoken up are feeling targeted already.
FIR is registered after cremation at 11:45 night.
The investigation-
First, the parents are informed that she is not well by the deputy superintendent. When they reach, they say that she has committed a suicide. Thereafter, they say that it appears to be a death. Fortunately, the young doctors, the colleagues of this deceased girl, victim, they insisted that
said?
we want videography, we want this. Look, this is suggestive that even they were suspecting some cover-up.
PS is informed that 10:10 that there's an unnatural death.
Yeah, yes.
Notwithstanding all this, the securing of the crime scene and the seizure and everything takes place at 11 o'clock, 11:30 in the night.
No. Well, that's why I've got timelines. Well, this is a bit unfortunate. I'll just give you the timeline. Exactly.
What was he doing up to
But
then?
kindly, I have given.
So therefore, it's very surprising. Post-mortem precedes registration of UD.
No, Malad, this is what I am told, Malad, and I can only
Is
respond.
someone responsible there to assist?
Yes, certainly, Malad.
If any officer is present, you may speak to him and tell us. Because if this is the fact, then it is something very dangerous.
I agree with. I agree. Let me just, Malad, the officer is here.
Some SOP, the committee is looking into it. There is no SOP on the hours of the doctor.
Of course, we said that.
It is a specific
It's a mandate.
remit of the commission.
One second.
And the slip will.
One of the points which, that one para where I say this is a non-exhaustive list, it specifically says that they are made to work for 36 hours. And one more thing, we have said, we have referred to working conditions in general, which includes the work. So please assure the doctors, we are as concerned about them, that they have to work for 36 hours.
Yes.
All of us have also had family members, relatives. We have gone to public hospitals.
Yes.
I have slept on the floor of a public hospital when somebody in the family was not well. So we have gone through that. And you observe all of them working for 36 hours.
But we would also
Lord,
not like, we would not like, my lord, a doctor who has not slept for 30 hours to treat us.
If you see our order,
Yes, Your Lord.
if you see our order, we have in fact highlighted this very aspect, that there is a certain hierarchical nature of the workplace in a public hospital or any hospital. So when we have referred to that, and we have said because of the hierarchical nature, doctors, including junior doctors, are susceptible to harassment, not just sexual harassment, but different kinds of harassment.
Yes, Your Lordship. Yeah.
So we have specifically referred to this, but now that you have mentioned it, in a course of our order, in a brief order today, we will add to that as well.
Say I'm representing the KG Car Medical Junior Resident Doctors. They are still RG Car. And my lord, they are
By the
still,
way, Brother Justice Rishikesh Roy pointed out to me in another CB yesterday that you kept on saying car is car. So I said, well, I
We are
apologize.
forgetting one crucial thing.
so my lord, I'm just saying that they are still terrorized. They are still in fear. They are saying our senior residents are back at work. We'll give it to the Registrar General in a sealed cover, the names of the people. There are about 70 junior residents and they are interns, and they are still feeling terrorized. They are threatened. They are actually being targeted in the hospital.
But terrorized by whom? Because this is a serious thing. And they
Yes.
in the RG Kaur Medical Hospital.
CISF is already there.
What is their
But
grievance?
instead of, my lord,
We-
giving them here, let them be given to me. I'll ensure, my lord, CISF to do the needful. My lord.
Yes, but we have to have their names in sealed cover because those who've spoken up are feeling targeted already. And they have a
But
timeline
targeted-
of
but targeted-
videos they have taken.
Targeted by whom? Don't give us names, but targeted broadly
By
by.
officials, my lords, by goons. I am for
By-
the 20,000
by
doctors in the, Kolkata, my lords.
Lord, if your
And
lordship sees the.
some of,
report,
many of whom
Lord,
work in
like,
RG car.
Possibly a hint of.
By members of the administration, by people who are in the hospital.
All right,
and
we'll
they,
we'll take note of that. We'll
yes,
take-
my lord.
There's one more submission.
Only a minute, Mr. Sybil, if you don't mind. Lord,
Just flag it for us and then.
Sure, sure.
only one thing. I did not know, my lord, that there is some report, my lord, because our difficulty was we entered on the 5th day. And thereafter, my lord, before that, my lord, whatever was collected by the local police, my lord, we were given. And our investigation starts, my lord, that is itself a challenge by itself, my lord, because the scene of offense is altered. Everything is, my lord, even the,
So everything is videographed, nothing is altered. Everything is videographed.
my lord,
No, Mr.
without
Secretary,
knowing anything,
the
Mr.
Postmortem is videographed.
Yes, rest is
The scene
not
of crime is
videographed.
not videographed because the crime is.
The seizure
detected.
memo is there, Madam. Seizure memo is there.
9 o'clock, the crime is detected.
Seizure memo is there, Madam.
Not
Seizure
the
memo is
most
there.
shocking fact,
I-
I am not making this, Mr.
Maharaj,
Sibal is.
that is also
little
videographed.
combative moves.
Maharaj,
Lord,
Maharaj,
the
I-
most shocking fact, the FIR is registered after cremation at 11:45 night.
The
First,
investigation.
the parents are informed that she is not well by the deputy superintendent. When they reach, they say that she has committed a suicide. Thereafter, they say that it appears to be a death. Fortunately, the young doctors, the colleagues of this deceased girl, victim, they insisted that
said?
we want videography, we want this. Look, this is suggestive that even they were suspecting some cover-up. So they were also trying their best.
Well, let's just see the medical examination.
Yes, your lordship.
Lords, the postmortem was done in the same hospital.
mean, I don't
So
want-
that may be.
Postmortem was also done in the same.
I don't want,
We have fled.
this is entirely accusatory. I don't want to, let's contradict my learned friend, but the record will show what happened.
So Sybil, there's one aspect which is extremely disturbing. GD entry in regard to the unnatural death is recorded at 10:10 in the morning,
That's correct.
right? So
Right.
at 10:10, the police station, in this case, the
Tala police station.
Tala PS is informed that 10:10 that there's an
Yes.
unnatural death.
Yes.
Notwithstanding all this, the securing of the crime scene and the seizure and everything takes place at 11 o'clock, 11:30 in the night.
No. Maharaj, that's why I've got timelines. Maharaj, this is a bit unfortunate. I'll just give you the timeline. Exactly,
What were you
Maharaj.
doing up to
But
then?
kindly, I have given minute by minute what happened, Maharaj. We have a timeline prepared for your lordships, Maharaj.
Lord,
And it's backed by videography. It's not, Maharaj, something that we are saying.
Lord, can I be shared with the timeline?
Yes, we'll share it. I wish you had asked, shared what you passed on to the.
We
court.
don't have to
But
ask,
doesn't
you have to
matter.
give it
But
to
doesn't
CBI.
matter. Doesn't
We
matter.
were on
I
the
don't have
ground.
to request.
My lords, could we?
You are bound to give
You should have
everything to
given
the
it yourself.
CBI. You have not given.
Yourself.
Lord, I believe.
Lord, I am getting Kolkata Police. Ships have, Lord.
Maharaj, we have,
Mr. Sybil,
yeah.
just tell us from your record, at what time the postmortem was performed?
Yes, I tell you, lordships.
From your record?
Yes.
That is, for the time being
6:10 to 7:10 p.m.
in the evening,
Yes,
correct?
correct.
When you are taking the dead body
Yes.
for the purpose of performing postmortem,
Yes.
is it a case of unnatural death or not? If it is not a case of unnatural death, why do you have to perform the postmortem? This
is a case.
Just, so that
Sorry.
you can respond to it.
Sorry.
There are so many questions.
Yes,
which are
I agree. Of
coming in
course.
our mind.
Right.
And we have the best of the assistance
Yes.
in your form. When you start performing the postmortem, that means it is a case of unnatural death.
No doubt about it.
Postmortem starts at 18:10 hours.
Yes.
It comes to an end at 19:10 hours.
Yes.
What was the idea in registering UD at 23:30 hours? And-
That's the FIR, Maharaj. That's not the UD.
No, sir.
Maharaj, I've just.
Just listen to us.
I'm sorry.
Either you are right
No.
or
No,
what
it was
was
FIR. FIR
You have
was.
to answer your lordship's questions, Maharaj, without interference, please.
No, you can.
No. Just
Yes,
one
certainly.
clarification.
Certainly.
the records reveal,
Yes,
subject to what you have to further point out to us.
correct.
UD case number 861 of 24 of Police Station Tala
Yes.
was registered at 23:30 hours. On 9th August 2024, V-Day GD entry number 576 and the FIR number 52 of 2024 was registered at 23:45 hours. Is this record correct?
Manoj, may I therefore point out to your lordship, just take the timeline, we have referred everything
So
in it.
according to your record, the UD was registered at what time?
1:45 PM.
1:45?
PM.
No, that's not true.
That 1:45 PM.
How do we reconcile the two records?
Manoj, I'll show that to your
Because
lordship.
we today have a report
Manoj, but that I'm saying, Manoj.
which indicates that this is the time. So therefore, it's very surprising. Post-mortem precedes registration of UD.
No, Manoj, this is what I am told, Manoj, and I can only
Is
respond.
someone responsible there to assist?
Yes, certainly, Manoj.
If any officer is present, you may
Yes.
speak to him and tell us. Because if this is the fact, then it is something very dangerous.
I agree with, I agree. Let me just, Manoj, the officer is here.
Why it takes so much of time? Just show the time on the document, that's all. All that you need to do is refer to that document and tell us at what time UD, again I am repeating, 861 of 24 was registered. Just something,
Yes,
when we take up this matter on the next date,
yes,
keep a responsible police officer
yes,
present here
yes, absolutely.
who had done or who had carried out all this
Yes,
exercise.
certainly, we'll do that.
He should be able to tell us.
Yes.
Till this point of time, we have not got the answer, what time it was registered. Look at the time which you have stated.
It's there, sir, in the GD entry, sir.
Can you show us? Can you show us?
Yes, sir.
I'll,
Xerox copy, yes.
I just put out mark and passing.
They are mentioning the GD of what happened in the entire day, Manoj. If your lordship that look at page 2, Manoj, page 2, it says the application made to the magistrate with the GD and where the UD entry is already mentioned.
You may be right, Mr. Sibal. This is something which even the criminal procedure code doesn't prescribe.
Yes, exactly.
The entire procedure
Yeah.
which has been
Your
followed by your police,
Yes.
police of the state, it is something which at least I have not come across
Yes.
in 30 years of my.
I know. Right. I appreciate it. But Manoj, the facts must be before your lordship's mind. That's the important thing, the real
The
fact.
first thing we want to confirm
Yes.
is it true that the UD case was registered at 23:30 hours and that the post-mortem and everything preceded the registration of the UD?
No, Manoj.
We'll have to answer.
Yes, please, Manoj.
Second question to
Yeah.
you,
But
Mr.
that's
Sibal.
the second question.
Who is this assistant superintendent non-medical? Who is this person?
Superintendent.
Is this assistant superintendent a male or a female?
I believe it's a female, but I just make sure. Female.
Her conduct is also very, very doubtful. Why did she act in this manner?
I can't possibly.
That one lady was lying on her back on a mattress kept on the wooden dais inside the said seminar room in unconscious or motionless condition. She was examined in presence of lady police personnel and found some injuries on her private parts and other parts of her body. Also found that she wore whatever. After return to PS under order of OC and UD case has been registered. Vide Tala UD case number 9th August.
So this is now it is
Now it's very
confirmed
clear.
that it was 23:30 hours.
Page number 2, just see page number
No, but
2.
this is the case diary.
No,
It shows that the UD case is registered
No, that's.
after he returns
I-
to the police station.
I don't want to, Manoj, contradict, Manoj, kindly see page 2
Okay,
of the case diary.
these are their documents?
And you will see the diary number, Manoj, 861 of 24. 861 of 24.
Even the order of the magistrate,
Even the order of the magistrate thereafter, Manoj, says that.
plus page 4.
Let them investigate. This has been inserted later in point of time.
No, page 4.
Yes, prima facie. Prima
four,
facie it
Malad.
appears.
Before, Malad,
Prima
before,
facie it appears.
page four, not
Let
inserted.
them look into it. Let them look.
Ask for the report from the ACGM.
Just give it back to us. I'll share it with my lord.
My request is
And my
ask for the
brother.
report
Yes,
from
my lord,
the
and the
ACGM.
copy may be given to us, my lord. I do not know whether this copy we have or not.
This is the judicial magistrate, Malad, who carry out the inquest and see Malad UD case 861. Postmortem also mentions it. So, Malad, these can't be inserted. And this is signed by the magistrate.
My lord, I may be right, I may be wrong. Give me 2 minutes, my lord. Your lordships have, my lord, this 10-10, 10-10, my lord.
Yes, yes,
This is GDE called General Diary Entry.
right, at the
Correct?
police station.
At the first floor, yes, at the police station. Please, my lord, thereafter come to this, my lord. My lord, your lordship, I do not know the number of the compilation, but it is page 47 on the top.
Yes, 47 we got.
Correct?
It is the same.
Your lordship, please, Mr. Sybil,
Yes, continue.
there is
Mr.
always a courtesy to each
Just,
other. Lord,
Exercise.
this is 576, 2330. Correct, my lord? Now read this, my lord. In reference to Tala PS General Diary entry number 542 of date, return to PS with so and so. Please ignore it and come to the next page. After return to PS under order of office something, an UD case has been registered with a Tala PS number so and so 861. So this UD case is registered, my lord. Earlier was GD entry. This is UD case at 2330 and at 2345 FIR is registered.
Malad, see page 40, it just shows, Malad.
That's, my lord, how the chronology we have, my lord, presented.
Muddy the waters. It's all muddy the waters. That's what you're doing.
Just see 42, just see 42,
42, my lord.
GD number 542, dated 10:10 a.m. Received information over the telephone from Agikor Medical College Hospital Police Outpost that a lady of PG trainee of so-and-so
So and so was found lying in unconscious
exactly.
state at so and so medicine department of third floor of emergency building in so and so, according to informed sector 92 OC and under his order, leading PS with lady police. So this is, my lord, general diary entry. What is,
That is what DD is. That's
Lord,
what it-
somebody has lost the
That's
life.
according to the
Don't
rules.
at least laugh.
One second. According
at
to the
least
rules,
laugh.
Malad, that we follow.
A girl has
These
lost her
regulations we've
life
done in accordance.
in a most inhuman
That's
and
not in
undignified manner.
Malad, these are the rules and we have followed to the T, the rules of
Yes,
the.
I will show that
of
what rules are.
Unnatural death end.
My lord,
The Solicitor General, first general diary entry.
That's right.
So that
Lord,
is
and
what.
I can assure my learned friend, this is not an attempt to muddy the water, to remove the mud
have
from the
already
water,
muddied.
because we are dealing with a delicate situation. Somebody's dignity is
Oh, come
lost.
on, come on, we all know that. We are all, it's a tragic incident, it's barbaric, and we are on the same side.
Your side was
But let
laughing.
least not
That's-
muddy
that's
the waters on.
Really unfortunate.
Lordship, the PMR talks about 151 mg of semen. It is never in mg.
No, it is not
in
semen.
ml.
It is the weight
It is in.
So please, come on. This is the
Let's not-
problem that.
We are in the very
let-
incipient
let-
stage, but don't confuse this.
Yeah.
Don't use social media to make arguments in the court.
Social
I'm
media.
grateful, Manoj, for that. I'm grateful.
We have specifically now
Yeah.
the PMR before us, and we know what that 151 refers to.
Yes.
Yes.
Let's not use, what we read on
What is
social
happening.
media and then make legal arguments on that basis.